Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a look at using Gemini to create a travel plan for a vacation. So our prompt is create a travel plan for 4 people to go to Costa Rica for 7 days. Gemini quickly was able to generate a 7-day itinerary for us, including activities, things to do in the morning, afternoon and evening. Some areas it even included suggestions about lunch, activities to do, things like that. As we scroll down, you can see it did a pretty decent job of compiling a decent travel plan. It also included some considerations like the best time to visit, transportation, accommodations, currency, language, safety, wildlife, quite a bit of information. I decided to modify this, so I added a prompt that said, can you please modify this travel plan to include more cultural activities and beach activities? Gemini went ahead and included some of these new updates to the travel plan, including some cultural immersion, coffee culture, beach time, a sunset cruise, and on and on. You could continue to iterate through this travel plan and add things that you wanted to customize. Have fun exploring.